bumiyahe po si Vice President Sara Duterte papuntang Australia at sasama siya or makikilahok siya dun sa rally Free Duterte Now. So ano pong reaction dito ng House?
Sarah All.
Ano pong masasabi nyo na kung saan-saan pumupunta ngayon si VP Sara? Ngayon nasa Australia siya, recently pumunta siyang Malaysia, Middle East, and of course, the Netherlands. Ano pong masasabi nyo lang dito?
Happy trip.
Bilang halal na opisyal na bayan, ng bayan, yung oras mo na ginugugol sa loob at labas ng ating bansa, ito man ay pang personal o opisyal, dapat para sa taong bayan, hindi sa personal na interes.
Kapanti, go ahead.
Sir, circling back lang to my question, since you cited the jurisprudence, would you say that the ombudsman waiting for the resolution of the impeachment trial before making a decision on filing criminal or administrative charges against the Vice President and the rest of the OVP personnel is grounded or provided for by law? Would that be a fair statement?
Insofar as the other respondents, except for the Vice President, pwede naman pong umabante. But dun po sa Vice President, hindi pa muna siya, unless and until lumabas yung resulta ng impeachment, that's the only time na po pwede siyang makasuhan. Otherwise, like for example, sa kaso po ng dating Chief Justice, po pwede naman dapat di parehas na sinabay yun. Diba? So, ganoon din sa ibang mga naging impeachable officials except the President. So, kaya nga po naglalagay ng impeachment proceeding . So, ito muna. Diba?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Mela.
Sir, sorry, isa lang pahabol. Ano pong masasabi nyo na kung saan-saan pumupunta ngayon si VP Sara? Ngayon nasa Australia siya, recently pumunta siyang Malaysia, Middle East, and of course, the Netherlands. Ano pong masasabi nyo lang dito? Amid all this happenings.
Happy trip.
Isa Bendaño Mali from GMA DCBB. Please proceed with your questions.
Magandang hapon po, attorney. Your reaction lang po kasi bumiyahe po si Vice President Sara Duterte papuntang Australia at kabilang daw po sa itinerary niya, sasama siya or makikilahok siya dun sa rally Free Duterte Now. So ano pong reaction dito ng House? Thank you po.
Sarah All. Pero alam nyo, hindi ko alam kung if that is an official travel or if it's a personal travel, but lagit-lagi bilang halal na opisyal na bayan, ng bayan, yung oras mo na ginugugol sa loob at labas ng ating bansa, at ito man ay pang personal o opisyal, dapat para sa taong bayan, hindi sa personal na interes. Para hindi nasasayang ang tiwala, ang pondo, at binigay na mandato ng Pilipino sa atin.
Thank you, Isa. Arian Enriquez from TV5.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am, I just have to ask. Kasi has this always been the practice, like yung questions about the ombudsman filing na ang complainant daw ay ang good government? Kasi I don't know kung ano yung nangyari doon sa Quadcom report na nirekomendahan din na filean po ng crimes against humanity paglabag daw po sa Republic Act 9851. Sina former President Rodrigo Duterte, De La Rosa. I don't know. Paano po ba yun, ma'am? Also, do you have any info about that? Kung yun ba, inaksyonan ng ombudsman?
Wala pa akong information tungkol dyan. Ang alam ko lang, dun sa recommendation ng Committee on Good Government, may listahan naman ng mga recommendation of criminal, civil, and administrative cases. I cannot speak on the history of the ombudsman on initiating their own investigations based on various committee recommendations. But we will tatandaan natin, hindi lang ang ombudsman ang na-furnish ng committee reports. All other agencies, katulad ng Department of Justice, I think DBM was also furnished. So, different agencies may initiate their own investigations on the matter based on the recommendations of a particular committee.
Thank you. Ma'am, would like to ask, though ilang beses na rin to naging topic at paulit-ulit na, kasi meron din ulit statement si Majority Floor Leader Senator Francis Tolentino na sinasabi niya raw po yung impeachment complaint, itong impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte, it dies, lapses, terminates with the lifespan of the 19th Congress. Forthwith is the command to the 19th Congress daw. Sabi niya, show me a constitutional instruction giving them the mandate to continue, show me where we can find the words carry over. What can you say about this, ma'am?
Very clear, well, mukhang dissenting opinion po yung binibigay ni Senator Tolentino. Nakalagay naman sa Constitution ang obligasyon, ang duty ng Senate is to try and decide. Totoo na walang nakalagay to carry over, pero hindi rin sinabi na matitigil siya pag natapos ang session. We have to remember the Senate is a continuing body kung tutuusin. So, if there's an institution that can continue their duties beyond the sessions, the Congress, mukhang ang Senate din yun. Again, the House maintains its position that the Senate may try and decide the impeachment proceedings. Tuloy-tuloy po ito. Walang tigil hanggang matapos ang pagpresent ng ebidensya, matapos ang pagkakataon ng depensa na mapagtanggol ang kanyang sarili, hanggang matapos yung pagkakataon ng mga senator judges na mag-decide dun sa merits ng kaso.
Mambalikan ko lang po what you mentioned earlier. You said, do not speak for the defense, speak for the impeachment court. I think this was regarding to spokes tungkol ng impeachment court. You also reacted on yung sinabi po ni Spokes Bukoy doon nga kay against Tonggol. Sabi mo, as a spokes, you speak for the body that you are representing. Yun yung tingin ni Attorney Bukoy. Kayo rin po ba? Tingin nyo, yun yung ginagawa ni Tonggol? He's speaking for the defense team.
Well, yun yung lumalabas dun sa pag-question niya eh. In fact, yung I think nabanggit din to ni Attorney Bukoy, yung hindi pagtanggap ng House dun sa dokumento na walang kahit na anong nakalagay na label, wala naman kaming narinig mula sa defense team. Ang sumita ay ang spokesperson. So, hindi naman in normal courts hindi naman i-call ng court pag hindi tinanggap ng isang party yung entry of appearance. So again, wag ipasa sa kamera yung paninisi na lalong-lalo na for an entry of appearance, yung hindi pagtuloy. Kasi yun yung ini-insinuate niya na dahil hindi natanggap ng House, nadadagdagan yung pagkaantala. Hindi naman din yun. Alam naman natin na hindi yun dahilan.